The course Introduction to Aesthetics is designed to familiarize undergraduate students in the humanities and arts disciplines, particularly in the visual arts, with the history and development of the field of aesthetics. It is designed to help the student develop a historical understanding of different theories and concepts in aesthetics and the connections and associations with one another, with different schools of thought, and with specific art movements, artists, and practices. Starting with a general introduction to the subject, the course proceeds through 4 sections, namely Classical and Western Aesthetics, Modern Aesthetics, Late Modernist Aesthetics, and Non-Western Traditions of Aesthetics, all of which together attempt to provide an overview of the different stages and branches of aesthetics. The primary objective of the course is to create in the student an awareness of the artistic and historical context of different aesthetic theories and the interfaces between aesthetic theories and artistic practice. Through this, it is hoped that the participating student will be able to grasp the basic principles that have informed art criticism through the ages and develop an analytical perspective towards different artistic movements and practices in the light of aesthetic theories. It is also envisaged that the student will be able to attain a basic framework and the skills with which they can better understand and interpret new and emerging trends in contemporary art practices. The course will have 4 credits and will be covered in 12 weeks duration and shall include assessment components, reading and reference material, discussion forum posting, and assignments. I heartily welcome all participating students to this course.